The best way to fix your partner is stay until the end to find out. Everyone is different. We have different ways of thinking. Another time, yes, you are unique. Your life experience is different from someone else's life. All these differences most of the time comes from where we grow up and the type of education we received by our parents. There will always be a difference between you and other people. That difference is what makes you who you are. That difference has two sides. It could be a good quality or a negative quality. We all have both of them. The thing is to make the good qualities heavier than the negative ones, because at the end of the day, nobody is perfect. Now, I will give you a quick example to help you understand how to fix your partner. Let's just jump into it. Let's say one of my close friends is sick. He told me he's going to the hospital to check what's going on with his health. 2 days later, I went to see him. He told me then, "You know what, buddy? The doctor told me I have an ulcer. He prescribed some medicine for me. I bought them 2 days ago, but I did not take them." Then my friend replied to me, "Because I was waiting for you to come and drink my medicine so that I can get better." When he said that, I was confused. I asked him, "If I understand what you said, you want me to take your medicine so that you can get better?" He said yes. Do you understand the meaning behind this example? Just pause the video for 5 seconds, think about it. My friend is the one who has the problem with his stomach, not me. He wants to feel better by me taking the medicine. That's impossible, isn't it? Well, it is the same thing that happens when you try to fix someone. You can't fix your partner or anyone else. You can't control how they think, react. The list goes on and on and on. You have to realize that the only one that you can control is yourself. You can control how you speak to people, what you think about them, and how you react to them. Most of the time we think that the problem is external, while in reality it is an internal issue that needs to be fixed from the inside, not outside. The change has to start with you, not with your partner. Allah does not change the condition of the people until they change what is in themselves. Allah mentioned that He would only change the state of an ummah if only they change themselves. Imagine how much benefit you will get by changing yourself, working on yourself to become a better version of you. Without any doubt, you will have an impact. Your relationship with your partner or anyone else won't change or improve until you spend time developing yourself. Start your development now. Change your behavior. Work on yourself. Work on controlling your anger, your self-esteem, your ego, reaction to events, and how you speak to people. You can't depend on your partner to make you happy or anybody else to make you feel happy. Peace and happiness has to come within you. What you have inside of you is what you bring to people. How are you going to give money to the needy if you are broke? How are you going to give foods to someone who is hungry if you don't have any food? The same goes for peace and happiness. How are you going to give peace, love, and happiness to your partner or anyone else if what you have inside is anger, hatred, jealousy? When you change yourself, you are able to change the situation. Start now working on yourself. Set your intention. إِنَّمَا الْأَعْمَالُ بِالنِّيَّاتِ. Say, Allah, I'm improving or I'm working on myself to earn your pleasure so that you can be pleased with me and the way I deal with people. Ya Allah, please, I'm asking you for your help. Help me to become better. Motivational Muslim is here to help you in your journey on becoming the best version of yourself. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel and click the bell not to miss upcoming video. I leave you with a lot of love and peace.